Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to find the slope of a trend line in Excel. I already have a simple data set in my screen, which has the month's values in column A and the sales values in column B. Now, let's look at three simple ways to calculate the slope. The first method is finding the slope from the chart equation. To do so, select all the data in your screen like this. Now, go to the Insert tab. From there, in the Chart section, select a scatter chart. Now, a chart is visible on the screen. To show the trend line of the chart, select it, go to the plus icon, which is the Chart Elements icon. Click it, scroll down, and check the trend line option. Now, we can see the trend line too. To show the equation of the trend line, just double-click on it, which will open a Format Trendline pane at the right side of your screen. From there, under the Trendline options, scroll down and check the Display Equation on Chart option. Now, an equation is visible upon the chart. From this equation, we can determine the slope value. So, the slope value is the value before x. In this case, it's 50. So, the slope is 50. The second method is using the slope function. Slope function returns the slope of the linear regression line through the given data points. To calculate the slope with this built-in formula, go to cell B7. Type equals slope. Now, as the known y's, put the sales value ranges, which is B2 to B5, comma. And as known x's, put the month range values, which is A2 to A5. Close the bracket, press enter. It returns us with 50 as the value of the slope, which is similar to the previous method. Moving forward to the third method, which is the manual slope calculation method. Based on the data, I will use values from row 3 and row 4. But you can use any rows from the dataset while working. So, in cell B7, type equals bracket B4 minus B3. Close the bracket, divide. Bracket A4 minus A3. Close the bracket and press enter. Again returns us with the value 50 as the slope value, which is consistent with the previous two methods. You can get the workbook of this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments box, and please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials like this.